Classical definition of electric flux. See, what is electric flux classically? We give symbol phi to electric flux. This phi is electric flux symbol. So what is electric flux classically? Electric flux is the group of or number of electric lines of force, or electric field lines passing through given area. Breathe in. See, this is the area. How many electric field lines passing through this area under condition? When area held perpendicular to direction of electric field. See, how many lines, how many number of lines passing through this given area when this area is perpendicular to electric field direction. Those number of electric lines of force or number of electric field lines called electric flux. Remember, in so many numericals we will be inquired find number of electric lines of force or find number of field lines. So you will come to know this is electric flux inquired. Breathe in. So I am repeating, electric flux called number of electric lines of force. Electric flux called number of electric lines of force passing through given area when area held perpendicular to direction of electric field. Point number 2, classically, outward, this is most important concept, will be used in numericals. Outward flux, if it is written in some numerical, taken as positive. For example, if you are called in numerical out of a cube, this is outward flux of this much value, then you will take this flux, because it is outward flux, you will take this flux as positive. Electric flux is a scalar quantity. It can be positive, it can be negative, it can be zero. So while outward flux means while electric lines of force are outward, when electric field emerging out of certain closed area, then taken as positive. Outward flux taken as positive. Remember, this is classical definition concept. Similarly, if in some numerical it is written inward flux, then you will have to take that flux as negative. For example, if you are given like this in some numerical, inward flux of this much value for 1 cube is given. So in the numerical, you will focus whether it is outward flux or inward flux. So inward flux, then this, for this particular case, you will have to take negative flux. It is like while electric field entering into the cube, like this. Breathe in. Now there is one more point, fourth. If number of electric lines of force entering any closed area equal to number of electric line of force leaving that area, then electric flux linked with closed area taken as 0. For example, for this cube, 4 lines of electric field as an example entering the cube. It is closed area. And same number of lines emerging out of area. 4 emerging out. So 4 number of lines of force entering as well as 4 leaving. Then you will say total flux linked with the closed area will be 0. These are the 4 points of classical definition of electric flux. Remember them? Will be used in so many numericals.